Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the easiest knotted bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear. Then we're just going to tie this off into a ponytail and clip it out of the way for later. Divide the remaining hair in half and working on that right hand side, we're going to pull it up as high as we can and secure it into another ponytail. And then just repeat this on the left hand side, so you should be left with 3 ponytails. Okay, so starting on that top ponytail, we're going to divide it in half. And starting over on the left hand side, I'm just going to tie this into a simple knot, making sure the ends are pointing up and down, and then just secure this to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Then repeat the same steps on the right hand side. So take the top ponytail and the bottom right hand ponytail, tie them into a knot with the tail ends pointing up and down, and then secure it to the head with a bobby pin or 2. Take the 2 ponytails at the bottom and again tie them into a simple knot and secure them at the bottom of the head with a bobby pin or 2. And then we're going to repeat the same steps at the top. So take the 2 ponytails on the top, do your knot, and then secure it with a few bobby pins. Now take those 2 sections on the right hand side. Again, you guessed it, we're going to tie them into a knot and lay them on the right hand side of that bun and secure them to the head, and then just repeat this on the left hand side. Now take those 2 top sections and we're going to bring these over the centre of the bun and tie them in another knot, but this time make sure your tail ends are pointing out to the left and right. Secure it to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Then move on to those bottom 2 sections, tie your knot and place them just underneath that bun and secure them with a bobby pin. Now we're just going to take all of these tail ends and we're just going to wrap them around a bobby pin and slip them behind the bun so they just work their way into the style. And then just repeat this on all 4 tail ends of those ponytails. Next I'm going to take some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Just spray it all over your bun and then we're gently going to use our fingers to pinch and pull at every loop and twist of this bun to make it more voluminous. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.